Okay, here I am. I am going to get you a little bit more familiar with the platform Hootsuite, which is a social media marketing scheduler and dashboard for your social media platforms. So right here, you can see when you go to the home page, upgrade my plan, request demo. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go to dashboard. Okay, so this right here is called your streams. There's all these options right here on the left. You can kind of expand if you hover over it. Your streams or anything that you want to put in here as a main dashboard. I have right here for VanWorks, one of our clients, like our main posts. And this is just going in order in which they were actually posted. So you can see an hour ago, one of our first posts went out. This is mentioned, so anybody mentioning our page is going to be on here as well. As you can see, that's actually my other page, People's Tiny House Festival, that mentioned VanWorks. So all your mentions and all your posts mentions are going to go right in here. And that could be for Facebook, Instagram, or anything. For this case, this is Facebook. Over here is my timeline as well on Facebook, and then my messages as well. As we get a little bit more comprehensive with this client, we're going to have maybe the post from their Facebook, their posts from their Instagram, their posts from their LinkedIn, so on and so forth, and maybe like messages right here. And we can keep adding more and more streams if we want to as well, depending on how many streams we have in our actual Hootsuite. This right here is our planner. So this will show everything going on for the week or the month. Pretty straightforward here. So if you just wanted to look at this and actually see a preview of what it's going to look like, you can see it on the right here. The whole post itself, the content, as well as like the imagery as well. If you want to edit it, just click the little pencil right there, and then you can edit the whole thing. You can actually add extra streams or social networks on here as well. If you want to post the same content for different channels, you can certainly do that. You can schedule things out right here as well. Um, and as well as just look at the different types of previews you're going to have as well as boost the post, so on and so forth. What album you want the post to actually go in as well. So pretty straightforward here. Again, you'll be able to link up everything in this post right here. As far as like this post specifically has a affiliate, so we wanted to make sure we tagged them in this post as well as our hashtags as well. These two are going to be the main ones you're working with. As you get more into like white labeling different statistics and analytics for your client, this is going to be the platform that you do that. You can throw our logo in there, as well as pull out different KPIs that are going to be more prevalent to where our clients' goals are. And for now, the first two right here are probably going to be the ones you're going to be mainly using. Again, analytics, as we begin to white label some of our analytics we want to send over to clients. These right here are a little bit more comprehensive with like the admin of the account. So you really don't have to go too far into any of this stuff. Particularly, just look at these two and you'll be squared away just fine.